TripAdvisor Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be reviewing the TripAdvisor Affiliate Program based on my personal experience. The links to the program are in the description, so be sure to check them out for more details. TripAdvisor is one of the world's most popular travel platforms, with millions of reviews, recommendations, and ratings for hotels, restaurants, and attractions worldwide. As an affiliate, you'll be able to earn commissions by promoting travel products and services on their site. The TripAdvisor Affiliate Program stands out because it offers access to a vast range of travel options. Whether it's booking hotels, planning activities, or discovering restaurants, TripAdvisor covers all the essentials a traveler could need. This makes it an ideal program for anyone in the travel niche, from bloggers to influencers looking to monetize their platforms by recommending trusted services to their audiences. One of the main features that make this program appealing is the easy integration of affiliate links, widgets, and banners into your website or content. Whether you're creating blog posts, reviews, or even video content, TripAdvisor's affiliate tools are versatile and easy to use, allowing you to start promoting right away. Their commission structure is competitive, and you earn commissions whenever users make a booking through your affiliate links. Additionally, TripAdvisor offers excellent tracking tools, so you can monitor your clicks, conversions, and overall performance with ease. The dashboard is intuitive, providing valuable insights into which links and promotions are performing best, allowing you to optimize your campaigns effectively. One thing that makes TripAdvisor's affiliate program particularly attractive is its brand recognition. Since TripAdvisor is trusted by millions of travelers, it's easy to recommend their services to your audience, making conversions more likely. Whether you run a travel blog, a YouTube channel, or social media accounts, this program is a great way to monetize content while recommending reliable travel options. In conclusion, if you're in the travel space, the TripAdvisor Affiliate Program is a great choice. With a range of promotional tools, competitive commissions, and a reputable brand, it's an effective way to earn revenue by providing value to your audience. Check the description below for more information and to get started.